Hi, my name is Dr. Short. I'm a licensed psychologist. I opened up a private practice therapy and assessment center here in downtown Conway. I just wanted to take a few moments and introduce myself, let you know a little bit about my training and what to expect when you come. I started my training working with the homeless. There I did a lot of diagnostic testing and research. I continued my training working in the inpatient setting with severe mental illness and sexual abuse. From there, I worked in a residential setting with women who had addiction. I spent the last several years working in community mental health with diverse individuals and diagnoses. I also did a lot of diagnostic testing there as well, testing children who had autism, learning disabilities, and other developmental disorders. I opened private practice to combine the two things that I love the most, psychology and my faith. So I just wanted to give you a brief case example so that you know kind of what to expect when you come. So I worked with a young lady who had a lot of shame about her past. And one of the things that often came up in session was that she had wasted her life. So she talked a lot about wasted time. And I did CBT with her and was having a little bit of luck. But it wasn't until I started using her language that she really started to have a cognitive shift in her thinking. So for example, I had given her a story about the Israelites, and I told her that the Israelites left Egypt and were in the wilderness for 40 years. But it was a 7-day trip, but it took them 40 years. And a lot of people may look at that wilderness time and say, that was a lot of wasted time. And that's similar to how she felt. But then I started working with her and helping her reframe that, to see the wilderness time as a preparation time where she focused on the things that she learned, the things that she was proud of. So she really started looking at the wilderness and pulling her strengths. And she started to see all the things that she was thankful for. So over time, she really started to be thankful for the wilderness time. And she was able to see how it prepared her for crossing the Jordan into the Promised Land. She had a lot of repair work to do. She had ruptured a lot of relationships. And so we spent time working on her negative thinking patterns, her self-critical talk that she engaged in, and really helping her see things differently. So that's just a little bit of an example of what to expect. I also work really well with children and families. I have a fun, creative environment for you guys to come. I do a lot of behavior modification, a lot of communications with children and their parents. And so I just look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you.